Hey there, thanks for clicking on today's HISD Now. A big turnaround at one Houston middle school, a first-year teacher's inspiring start, and two students giving us two very different perspectives. We're also meeting a Milby senior who's making headlines on the field and on the chessboard, plus a parent graduation, an employee celebration, and important reminders for school choice, tomorrow's board meeting, and much more. HISD Now starts right now. Before we start, we want to wish the East Early College High School robotics team the best of luck. Now they're traveling to Dallas to compete in the Best Robotics State Championship. Good luck to all of those students participating. We know they're going to make HISD proud. So we've been bringing you stories this week for Campus Close-Up from Thomas Middle School, a thriving school in Southeast Houston. In just 1 year, the school jumped from a D to a B. Principal Shanika Mitchell telling me the hard work certainly paid off thanks to a strong admin team and determined teachers and students. Like this science and social studies teacher. Now this is Miss Michelle Blacknall, that is, and it's her first year teaching, not just at Thomas, but in her career. Now she says jumping into the transformative change Thomas is going through has been nothing short of inspiring and motivating. It's a brand new story that we just uploaded to the channel. And tomorrow I'm talking to two students from Thomas to get two different perspectives. A 6th grader who just started her middle school journey and an 8th grader who's finishing hers. That's tomorrow on HISD Now and across all of our socials. But right now on the channel, check out this student highlight.
Let's go.
So many of our students participate in athletics and other organizations, but one high school senior is really making his mark at Milby. He's not only a standout athlete on the gridiron, but also a whiz when it comes to playing chess. Brandon Lozano's full story is up on our YouTube channel right now. Elliott Elementary held a graduation ceremony today, but this one wasn't for students. It was for parents who completed HISD's Parent University, a program offered and organized by our Family and Community Engagement Team, also known as FACE. Parent University is a series of workshops designed to empower families to become active partners in their child's education and success.
These parents have gone through 7 sessions of building their capacity through Parent University classes where we talk to them about the different resources and educate them on all of the resources and the great things that are happening in HISD. It gives them an opportunity to be able to also look at ways that they can partner and communicate and how to partner with their campus and build community, not just inside of the campus, but outside of the campus.
Parent University has been such a great program for our campus. It's really taught them a lot about HISD, NES, looking at data, importance of attendance, and then also just planning for their children's future.
I had never experienced anything like this. I think it's a great program. I learned a lot of new things, and I was given information that I didn't know where to go get it as far as for school choices for my daughter and other opportunities as she gets into high school for college that Mr. Verá showed us that I didn't know.
It means a lot because HISD is helping out to the community, helping us out, teaching us and learn about all the different programs and things and people that could help you out. They taught you how to be out social, be more outspoken, learn how to leave your pride and ask for help.
Earlier today at the Barnett Fieldhouse, the Facilities Division held its annual Professional Development and Appreciation Luncheon. The event highlighted progress across the division, honored retiring and outstanding employees, and announced the Employee of the Year.
So we're having this because we truly appreciate our employee for the hard work that they have done throughout this year. Some have been going above and beyond, with limited resources. And so we just want to dedicate this day in showing them how appreciative we are.
Now to a few quick and important reminders for our parents and families. So school choice is open. Parents and families, you have until February 27th to complete and submit your application to the top 10 schools of your choice. You can also make any edits during this time. If you need any help in person or if you want to see the schools and the specialty programs for yourself, we invite you to attend this weekend's school choice fair at Mickey Leland from 9 a.m. until noon. Before you go, though, you can also check out these school choice videos that we've posted across our social media platforms. They go over the application process, what parents can expect, and much more. Another reminder, tomorrow is our December board meeting. It starts at 5 p.m. right here at the Hattie Mae White Educational Support Center. Among the highlights, we'll be recognizing several of our Houston Promise partners. Now, these are the businesses, nonprofits, and community organizations that have committed to supporting HISD and select schools as we work toward our goal of having all A and B rated campuses by August 2027. We'll have more for you tomorrow on HISD Now. And don't forget, the district-wide boys basketball tournament tips off tomorrow. Several schools are participating with the championship games set to take place at Del Mar and Butler. Best of luck to all of the student athletes who are participating. Also tomorrow, the Brock Sunrise Center is hosting a vaccine clinic from 2 to 6 p.m. Families can receive free routine vaccines for both adults and children. No pre-registration is required, but if you plan on going, you're asked to bring any previous vaccination records. Well, before we wrap up today's update, we want to take a moment to acknowledge an important loss of the HISD community. We're deeply saddened by the passing of the former HISD superintendent, Dr. Roderick Paige, a truly transformative leader whose impact reached far beyond Houston. Now, Dr. Paige led HISD from 1994 to 2001, pushing for higher student achievement and championing every child's right to a great education. In 2001, he made history as the first African-American U.S. Secretary of Education, and his belief in the potential of every student continues to inspire teachers nationwide. HISD is proud to honor his legacy through Roderick R. Paige Elementary School, a lasting tribute to his lifelong dedication to students, schools, and public education. Well, that does it for us today on HISD Now. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.